Someone asked me if I knew anything about the Commons here on Sheppard Air Force Base. My answer? I don't know what that is. And rather than just tell me about it, they decided to show me. So I got a first-hand look at all the Commons has to offer. The first thing you're likely to notice when walking into the Commons is the giant indoor play place. It's designed for kids ages 4 to 12, so while I may be young at heart, standing at over 6 foot and weighing somewhere north of 200 pounds readily disqualifies me for entry. Worry not, however, if you're a parent and have need to accompany your child, I have been informed you are allowed to do so. Upon exiting the playground, you'll find yourself in the library, lined with bookshelves full of, you guessed it, books. You'll also find some audiobooks, language lessons on disc, movies, and even games. And if you need something for a younger audience, well, they've got that too. In addition to a collection of children's books, they'll have space to play with toys, to sit and read or color, and even some Legos for your little civil engineers in training. Though I found the reading material here to be a better fit for me, the furniture, not so much. Heading upstairs will bring you to the Drop Zone Gamer Lounge, where you can rent individual game stations. And before you ask, no, that is not my nickname for an Xbox. You'll have access to all of the top titles in competitive gaming, from Overwatch to Fortnite, Mortal Kombat to UFC, and even some Madden and FIFA for you sports fans. Also upstairs are a series of computers with access to the internet, certain software packages, and even a printer. Right around the corner is a pair of conference rooms you can book for meetings, group study, or a solid board game session. Our final stop upstairs is the 3D printing lab. It includes a computer station for managing the print files, 2 printers, and plenty of filament to customize your project. Once it's finished, you can take it downstairs for a special treat. Over by the front desk are a couple of display areas showcasing custom-made awards, plaques, and some engraved trinkets and keychains. And if you ask nicely, you can probably get your freshly printed project custom engraved right here. Unfortunately, we didn't get to take a closer look, but the Commons recently added a new feature, an escape room. The current theme of the room is space. You can probably tell by the pitch black void behind the door. I'll personally have to swing back by and check it out before it changes. Well, that pretty much does it for our tour of the Commons. They offer other, less tangible services we didn't get to see, including the information ticket and travel office that not only helps people book trips, get discounts to popular vacation spots, and tickets to parks, but also provides assistance to AIT during the upcoming Exodus season. So, whether you're here for training and need a place to spend some downtime, a parent with some restless kiddos in dire need of some time in the play place, or you're just looking for somewhere to hang out and read, the Commons has you covered. To gain access to all of these services, all you'll need is to open an account with the Commons. Just provide ID, the same one you use to get on base. And before you know it, you'll be borrowing books, playing games, and printing important emails. As for me, I'll just be over here finishing my reading.